Sige, sige, go.
Nahulog ako. Sige, go. Uy.
Saan to?
When I get out of my chair and then I fall and then you catch me.
Wala mang catch.
Oo, meron. Dito. Parasing makakit.
Ayun.
Ay, matutumba. But Ika is quick to run and catches him. Sige, so practice tayo, ha? So, you're, far away. So, on the chair. Oh. Sir, I'm not following you. I'm not following you. Sir!
Ang sakit. Ganun talaga?
Oo.
Please.
Oo. You just go like that and then put my arm around your shoulder. Okay?
Kasi pwede mamaya na lang yun. And then, hindi, because,
And then I'm
like that.
I will not put my full weight kasi full weight ganun. And then,
Uy! Anong tinitingin-tingin niyo dyan? Tulungan niyo kaya ako dito.
Ikan, kaya mo na yan. Saan ba cash mo naman si sir?
Ano sinasabi mo, hoy? Hoy!
Pick up man.
Tayo ka muna ha, sir. Sir!
Good, ano ka ba?
Ikat. Nakakaluka ka, Prinsipe Sungit, ha? Okay lang naman, sungitan mo ko. Pero sukaan ba naman ako? Ito. Ano po? Isukaan ba naman ako? Sumusobra ka na. Tapos,